beats.
The cold, dry air, as you've been hearing, is now moving, descending, and is here in the metro. And with that cold air comes static electricity. Well, this morning, Tesla Tom here from Mad Science is here. We're going to have some fun with that static electricity with some experiments that you can do at home with the kids out of school today. So we're talking static electricity, and you really only need a couple of simple items. Isn't that right,
Only
Tesla
a couple
Tom?
of things. Yep, it's all standing right here. As you can see, you've got a cup. Clear cup works best. We've got a little bit of string, if you can see this one right here. We've already got it set up. Obviously something to cut it with. A pencil so that you can tie the string on. And then just a good sized balloon. Smaller ones are easier to control, but any size will do.
Any size will do. All right, very good here. So we've got all the stuff that we need. And you've got it all. So where do we go from here?
Where do we go from here? Well, first we got to construct it. If you want to look at this guy, I've already got it set up.
A little bit of foil, too.
A little bit of tin foil. I'm sorry. Yeah, it's right there. It's so shiny. I forgot about it. And anyway, we're going to create and do some fun things with static electricity. So I'm going to hand this to you.
Okay.
And we got to create some electrons. So how do you think we do that?
Why don't we rub it on our...
You can rub it on your clothes. It's a lot easier to rub it on your hair, but I understand why you wouldn't want to do that. You get them here.
Hair. It's all right. I
Yeah.
don't mind
Is that working?
hair.
We got it. I think I got enough.
Yeah, I got a little bit.
So we got a lot of those electrons. As it says, it's cold, it's dry. We're creating a lot of electrons, and we're going to go ahead and create our little setup to show how electricity it can attract or repel, depending on what kind of force we got here. So I'm going to
look at that
right here. Yeah, let's move it
that.
right there. Well, and you want to do it? You want to get it?
Look, see that right there?
You're collecting those electrons and all that static all in one spot, so you want to try and use the same spot that you're...
Oh, the same spot on your hair?
you're rubbing on is the same spot that you want to try and hit towards that little piece of tin foil. So
look at that electricity there, Tesla Tom.
Yeah, right there. So all these forces, protons and neutrons are attracting each other. What we're doing is we're collecting the electrons, and you're repelling them right now, actually. There we go.
Oh, no, there we go. Look.
Yeah. So it's a fun little experiment. It takes 5 minutes to set up, and can actually be a lot of fun to just, you know,
my hair is really going to be messed up for the noon show, too, all right? So the viewers are going to have to deal with that.
Yeah. So.
Okay. But we're having fun with the experiment here.
We do, yeah.
You got another something? We get another idea?
I do have, even more electricity. We have something called a Graaf Generator right here. What it does is it creates static electricity. And so here's a quick example and just fun that we have at Mad Science. Am I okay sitting here? First off, you want to hold this grounding rod?
Sure.
Sure? All right.
I'm being the ground right now?
He is going to be the ground. What we're doing is this guy is going to move right here, and it's going to spin around and around, separating protons and electrons. And here we go. Here we go. I'm going to actually, a great example is just by putting a little bit of hair up here. You can actually see. Oh, no!
Oh, look at that.
That's why I brought the tape. Go ahead and hit that there.
What do you mean hit
all the way. You're the grounding rod.
Touch it?
Yep, touch that. Sorry, let's set this up so it looks a little bit more exciting, so it actually sticks. Okay. Sorry, people at home. Oh, no, one more piece.
Your hair.
Is my hair?
Tom, your hair.
Is it already sticking up? Yeah,
that's all right. That's all right.
3, 2, 1. All right, let's try it one more time. Here we go. Turn it a little bit up.
And you want me to...
No, go ahead and remove it.
Remove?
We're going to see it, because what you're doing is you were creating the ground. So all of that electricity was actually going through. Oh, man.
Woo!
Need better tape. So,
rejected!
Yeah, and if you want to go ahead and hold the grounding rod, you can actually, can you hear that shock?
I can hear it.
Yeah, you should actually be able to see it if you're looking right there.
Oh, look at it. Ow!
Yeah.
I'm just kidding.
Good. And then,
You can kind of see, can you see that?
Pretty exciting stuff. So that's everything grounding out and the electricity actually jumping from one section to the other. So, you ready? Oh.
Wow, that is pretty cool. Well, a lot of fun here.
Yeah.
Tesla Tom, thank you for showing us. You guys can have some fun at home with this. Good to see you.
Yeah, you too.
And left-handed shake is okay. That's all right. Hey, if you'd like to learn more about this morning's activity, or if you'd like to book Mad Science for your child's next party, you can find them online. Call the number on your screen, 913-888-8877.